Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest from Masculine Channel, ang faith healer o Zumatarder. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Sagittarius. So sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. Let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Okay, there's the Four of Cups. Just re-evaluate guys ha. Ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari, kailangan pag-iisipan mabuti, no? Hindi ka pwedeng pala decision dito. There's a Three of Wands, naghihintay ka ng resulta dito. May hinihintay kang tao na maaring bumalik, no? Maaring dumating. There's something Three of Wands for a result, for something, a document of papers. May hinihintay ka bang papeles ba, dokumento, o tao? Maaring dumating talaga siya na. And because this is something guys with magician, for something manifestation. There's something guys with the desires into reality. May mga bagay dito matutupad na ano man yung mga pangarap, kagustuhan, ano man yung mga bagay na hinahad, maaaring may isa katuparan yan. No? So let's see, what is the legal messages with an angel spirit? Represent with the Three of Swords. Some of you guys, now there's something pain. May mga naranasan ka dito, mga struggles, failures, betrayal, or something, cheating, lying, no? Sinasabi dito na this is something part of God, no? Kumbaga, instrumento yan ng mga bagay na yan ay nangyari sa buhay mo para subukan ka, para malaman mo ang kahalagahan na nasa paligid mo at kailangan mong malaman ang kahalagahan din ng sarili mo. And this is something that's happened ako with a long term. Magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon. No? Magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. And this is something financial security. No? At sinasabi dito na ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan ay isang hudyat lang yan na kailangan mo mag-proceed for another eksena. Na huwag kang ma-stuck dyan sa lungkot, takot, at pangamba na nangyari sa nakaraan. What is the initial messages? And because there's a Four of Wands, something celebration. Unti-unti ka rin dito makakalanas ng celebration. Now there's something wedding, and there's something homecoming, family gathering, no, maaring some of you ikasal pa nga, no? There's a lot of events coming in for you. What is the Four of Cups? Represent with that Knight of Wands. So there's something guys with a slow and steady, no? Kaya kailangan maging kalmado ka. Bago mo tanggapin isang bagay na yan, kailangan pag-iisipan mo. Hindi ka pwede maging pala decision. And there's an effort of be mature enough and being grounded, no? Kailangan na manatili ka na may respeto at disiplina sa ginagawa mo. No, hintayin mo yung tamang pagkakataon dito. You have an authority, no, na maaaring makuha mo, no, yung legal matter na to. No, kayang-kaya mo siyang paikutin sa eksena dahil nasa sayo ang panig, no, nasa sayo ang huling halakhak. No, let's see what is the magician represent what? The magician represent with the Ten of Swords, with the sabotage. Now, some of you guys, na meron talaga ditong sinasabotahe ka, tinatraidor ka, no? Kumbaga talagang pinagplanuhan kang traidorin, no? This is something guys na malalaman mo at makikilala mo na kung sino talaga tong traidor na to. And this is something the Eight of Swords, na nagbigay ng anxiety, sleepless nights sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na huwag ka na magtitiwala ng lubos, no? At maaaring, kumbaga, it's a power din ng nasa taas na malaman mo kung sino yung sumasabotahe sa'yo. May mga signs or synchronicities ka nang napapansin na nakakalata. There's a Ten of Swords represent what? Ten of Swords represent with the Knight of Cups. So this is something guys with an offer. may paparating ditong offer na magdadala sa'yo ng long term. No? Long-term success, long-term accomplishment, and this is something long-term victory. No? What is the Four of Wands that represent what? There's a judgment. No? There's something to pay attention. No? May mga paalala dito na kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa lahat na nangyayari. No? Behind the scenes. No? This is something, guys, na kumbaga perfect timing din. No? Na maaaring kumbaga maaring ikasal ka na, no? Maaring magkaroon dito ng something event, you reunite, no? And this is something the Queen of Cups may emotional killing. Magiging kalmado na ang pakiramdam mo dito. No, unti-unti mo nang pinag-iisipan lahat na nangyayari, hindi ka na pala desisyon. At of course, huwag ka basta-basta tumatanggap ng kahit na no? Kapag alam mong magulo at hindi ka sigurado, huwag ka magtitik ng actions about that, no? Kailangan mo po ng pag-isipang mabuti before proceed for final decisions, no? What is the Three of Wands across the Emperor? The Three of Wands represent the full card for a leap of faith, no? Now, there is something the full card for a leap of faith. May pananampalataya at tiwala dito at sinusubukan ka talaga. No? Kung hanggang saan yung paghihintay mo at pagtitiwala mo sa ginagawa mo at sa sarili mo. No? Maging mature ka at maging matalino ka sa pag-iisip ng kung ano-anong bagay na to na makakatulong for you. Hintay mo yung tamang slot. What is the Magician and of course the Knight of Swords? Magician and the Ten of Swords, sorry. The Magician and Ten of Swords represent with Empress card for something rebirth. Oh my God. No? Ang sabotahe na to ay maaaring magdala sa'yo ng kumbaga, bagong ikaw. No? Kumbaga, makikilala ka dito ulit ng dakil sa katangian at kakayanan mo. No? Kumbaga, you have the power then at the same time. Some of you healers, some of you massage therapies, no? And some of you guys, tarot reader then. What is additional messages? No, with the Three of Swords, because the Knight of Swords. Some of you guys, no, may kakayanan ka pero may tumatarget sa'yo. No? Mayroong kakayanan na manggamot, pero may gumagawa sa'yo. No? Parang talagang may naiinggit sa'yo dito. Babae siya. What is the Three of Swords? Because the Knight of Swords. My God. There is something the Knight of Swords with the success driver. Pero magtatagumpay ka ha. No, kaya mo itong pasukuin itong tao na itong gumagawa sa'yo. Dalawang hawak niya eh. Kaliwat kanan. My God. What is the Ten of Pentacles and of course the Knight of Cups? Represent with the Page of Wands. May magandang balita dito ha, na makukuha mo. No, na magdadala sa'yo ng offer for long-term success. No, this is something good news coming in for you. There's a lot of messages, transactions, phone calls, and email of course. What is the Four of Wands requires the justice, a judgment. There is something the Page of Swords, being curiosity. No? Pinapahalalahanan ka dito na tuklasin mo muna, alamin mo muna. No, bago ka mag-proceed dyan sa eksena na yan. No, I feel something na iimbitahan ka dyan sa event na yan, mag-ingat ka po. No, maaring meron ditong, kumbaga pinapaalalahanan ka na mayroong something na mangyayari. No? Pinapaalalahanan ka dito para may something na magbabackstab sa'yo. No? My God. Lagi ito nakasubaybay sa'yo eh. Tinitignan ka niya at tinaalam niya kung saan ang mga eksena mo. No? Some of you may mga out of town, no? May mga trips ka rin. Kumbaga, itong taon na to, inaalam-alam niya tungkol sa'yo lahat. No? Kaya mag-ingat ka. So, let's see. What is additional messages for the outcome? And because this is something, guys, for the outcome is something the Chariot card. An action and movement, no? So, kailangan mo talaga mag-take ng action dito. No? Kailangan mo ng kumilos at magdesisyon. And this is something, the Nine of Pentacles will blossoming, maaring lumakas ang iyong finances. Maaring yumabong na to. Lumago. This is something potential for abundance talaga. And this is something the Five of Wands competitors. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ang sumasabotay sa iyo kakompetensya mo. Nasasapawan mo to. No? Ayaw niya nasasapawan. Some of you cross-watcher out there, guys, ha? And there's a Devil card. Sabi ko na eh. Kaya ka rin nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Kasi, or either, kung magamit sa aswang pa to ha, yung gumagawa sa'yo dito. Oh my God, may kalaban ka. Then of course, at the same time, oh my God, they using power, no? Para at least pabagsakin ka. But hindi niya kaya. Kasi you have also a gabay. No, may gabay ka, may gabay din siya. So, definitely, gumagamit lang kasi siya ng something na kaliwat kanan. So, kapag ang mga healer or something na dalawa ang ginagamit, guys, no? Mahina yan. No? Lalo pag gumagamit ka ng kaliwa, kayang-kaya mong basagin yung ginagamit nilang protection. No? Lalo na kapag ang protection mo ay ginamit mo na sa masama, kayang-kayang basagin niya ng albularyo or manggagamot. Kaya just be aware, guys, ha. Huwag kayo magpapatalo sa mga yan. No? Alamin nyo, tuklasin nyo kung paano nyo babasagin ang protection ng kalaban nyo. And of course, let's see what is the 10 of Pentacles, and of course the 9 of Cups, and of course the Page of Wands. There's a 6 of Cups. Okay? This is something, guys, with something close friend, or either maaaring kakilala mo na to. There's something transaction, or parang nagkaroon kayo ng communication. No? That is additional messages. Some of you guys, no, meron din naman ako na sense dito na maaaring ginagawang ka ng with your ex, no? With your ex and with your family related. And there's an 8 of Swords. Now, there's a lot of negativities around you. Ibig sabihin talaga dito, mag-iingat ka sa pagkakatiwalaan mo, ha? With the 8 of Swords, bila ko nakita dito na may event talaga na parang may mag-offer sa'yo, or mayroon sa'yong parang iimbitahan ka, gato ganyan, maging aware. Additional messages tayo about naman tayo sa finances and career. So there's something, the King of Swords. No, just being wise. No, maging matalino kapag dating sa career mo. There's something, the Four of Swords. Makinig ka sa inner voice mo, sa gabay mo. No? Hindi ka ililigaw nito. And this is something, the Three of Cups. May third party talaga, something like that. No, there's something, a circle of friends, no? Or either there's something, a friend of yours, or either other people na mayroong talagang inggit sa'yo. Na may inggit sa'yo. What is the Three of Swords? Because, the Three of Swords, the Knight of Swords, because the Knight of Swords, and the Devil card, represents with the Temperance. No? With something about sa finances mo, there's a Temperance for something, a perfect timing. Magiging maganda na rin ang iyong pagkakapirahan dito. No? Magiging maganda na rin takbo ng negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay mo. And there's a Queen of Swords. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. Mag-set ka ng boundaries, ha? Huwag ka na ulit magtitiwala. No? Huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong about sa privacy mo. Privacy. And there's a Moon card for truth reveal. Oh, talaga malalantad. Makikilala mo kung sino itong tao na to. No, talaga ibabahagi sa iyo kung sino to. May mukha na ibinabahagi, no? Babae siya, kaloka, inggitera. So let's see, about naman tayo sa love life. There is something, guys, with the Two of Swords. There is something, decisions. No, nahihirapan ka mag-decide dito, pero kailangan putulin yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong. There's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you, no? Related ang finances and love life mo, ha? And there's the King of Cups. Devoted siya for dito. Yung person na to. Some of you guys may third party dito, ha? Kaya to ginawa sa'yo kasi parang nasasapawan mo rin siya. Na maaaring may gusto sa person mo or either ex ng person mo. And there's the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda kalalabasan dito, ha? With a perfect timing. No? Ano man yung mga negatibo ginagawa sa'yo, huwag kang mag-alala. No? Magiging maganda at positibo ang kalalabasan nito. And you are also guided. No? Ginagabayan ka. There's a Nine of Wands. No? Magtiyaga ka na sa ginagawa mo. Just continue what you're doing. Huwag kang magpapatinag. And there's something na Nine of Pentacles. Maging secure ka lang sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Even your actions and decision. I-secure mo lang yan. No? Ang gusto nito, maghirap ka, mahirapan ka. No, ginawa ka na rin ng pampamalas nito, hindi lang sa negosyo mo, kundi sa love life mo. No, kaya mailap ang pag-ibig din sa'yo. Some of you, no, lagi nagkakaroon ng failure pagdating sa love life, naghihiwalay. Some of nowhere, at the same time, Kumbaga, bigla rin alam mo yung nagkaka-failure ka sa love life, tapos bigla kang magiging maganda yung finances mo, or magiging pangit yung finances mo, tapos bigla naman magkaka-love life. Hindi siya nagko-compatible. So, let's see what is additional messages for help. Sa kalusugan mo naman, guys, let's see. There's a Three of Pentacles for something unity. So, kailangan mong pagtutulungan dito. And because this is something, guys, with the Queen of Pentacles. No? There's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Ibig sabihin dito, naging mature ka na. No? Hindi ka na nai-stress. Marunong ka ng i-manage, no? Yung sarili mo dito. Kalmado ka na. There is something, the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Ano man yung mga bagay na, okay, so let's see, what is additional messages? And there's the word card. No, there's something trouble, success. Magiging maganda na kalusugan mo dito, guys, ha? No, magiging kalmado na. Magkakaroon ka na unwind. Okay, kailangan mo na unwind daw dito, guys. Ma-retreat, no? Disconnect from the world. And this is something, guys, with the King of Wands. Something ambitions. Na unti-unti mo na makikita at magiging maganda na kalusugan mo kasama ng person mo. No, mawawala na yung stress nyo sa isa't isa. Mawawala na yung mga iniisip nyo sa buhay nyo. There's a Two of Wands, no? Pipiliin mo na yung, or magkakaroon ka na ng balance dito. Titimbangin mo na yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong para sa inyong mental health. No? So, let's see what is an overall areas of your life. For the outcome, this is something, guys, with the Seven of Wands, protections. No, kailangan mo ng protection. There's a Hangman para makapag-set ng boundaries kasi nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation. That because of this evil plan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. There's a lot of evil eye. There's a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. That's because of your action. Masyado ka kasi nagtiwala. And this is something that, guys, with the Page of Cups, makinig ka sa intuitions mo. Hindi ka nililigaw ng intuitions mo. Tama ang hinala mo. Your conclusion are within reach. There's an Ace of Cups, no? May darating ng bagong pag-ibig, no? Na magpapatibok sa pikang puso mo. Kaya wag kang magpapaniwala or magtitiwala, no, sa tao na minsan na nakasira sa iyo. Wag ka nagkukwento. There's a Seven of Cups, something, an opportunity. There's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and i-notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!